Hi class, so today you're going to be watching a video of an example multiplication problem being done with my voice in the background explaining step by step how to do it. The multiplication problem you're going to be learning how to do today is 32 times 48. Now we're actually going to be looking at this as two separate problems, the first being 32 times 8 and the second being 32 times 40. Now the reason that's 40 is because 4 is in the tens place and 4 times 10 equals 40. So let's start off by looking at our first problem of 32 times 8. So you're going to do this just like any old multiplication problem and start by doing 2 times 8, which is 16. So we're going to write the 6 and carry the 1. And then you're going to do 3 times 8, which is 24, plus the carried 1 makes 25. So we're going to write that down. And now, to move on to our second problem of 32 times 4, we have to put a 0 in the ones place down here. So now let's focus on our second problem of 32 times 4. So now you're going to do this one just like any old multiplication problem. 2 times 4 is 8, so we're going to put an 8 in the 10 spot because we already have a 0 as a placeholder in our 1 spot. And now we're going to do 3 times 4, which is 12. So we're going to write that down. And now you're probably wondering, where do we go from here? Well, if you were to do 32 times 8 and 32 times 40, you'd get these two answers. Now if you add those together, you get what 32 times 48 equals. So we are going to add these two numbers together now. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 5 plus 8 is 13, so we write the 3 and carry the 1. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus the carried 1 is 5. And then we bring our 1 down. So your answer to 32 times 48 is 1,536. And that is how you multiply two two-digit numbers together. If you still feel a little unsure about how to do that, there will be an additional video in the interactive module that you will see next.